slick, we running through that. I'm bustin', I don't backtrack. Hit his block with them shots.
Hey y'all, it's your girl M to the O to the E to the S to the H to the A. Oh, it's ya, and I'm back with another video. Oh, crew, your girl is back with another video. I don't know if I like that one. Well, I like it, but I want to know, I want to spice it up a little bit more. Like, yeah, we're gonna jump straight into this video because your girl is already tired of talking. Like, it's too early for this, y'all. It's early in the morning. It is 10:30. Yeah. To do this prank, y'all. My little sister, she is in her bed and about to act like a ratchet grandma. About to act like a ratchet grandma, y'all. This is gonna be so funny. I'm so ready. So, let me go ahead and just throw on everything. Oh, don't talk about my wig. I'm gonna just make it look a little, ratchet like. Goodness, I gotta go get my gown, y'all. I should have put the gown on first, shouldn't it? Okay. I need to show my bang more. Damn, I can't see. Hold on. Okay. Is that giving grandma, y'all? It gotta be. This gotta be giving grandma. This gotta be. Bunny on. I got my wig on. My granny wig. Is that giving grandma? It's giving ugly, I know that. Hold on. I think I should took it in. I'm gonna have to go get a rope. Or should I just leave it hanging like this? I'll be right back. Let me go get my robe, y'all. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna put this one on. This one giving more grandma right here. I don't know. Yeah. This one giving more grandma. Yeah, them grandma clothes they be comfortable. My booty. Cause grandma is thick, boo. Hold on, I don't think I'm thick enough. Am I thick enough, y'all? Oh shoot. It's falling. It's falling, y'all. It's falling. Okay. What y'all kids in here doing? Y'all been getting here clean up. And I'm not playing with y'all. Sit y'all down right now. Okay, y'all, I'm about to set the camera up real quick. And then we're gonna jump straight into this video. I think I'm booking all these down because they keep coming loose. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, yeah, I decided to put my glasses on because they really do look like some grandma glasses. Okay. Okay, but I'm gonna let them hang a little bit. And what y'all kids in here doing? What is y'all kids doing? You know what? I'm gonna get turned up and I'm gonna drink me some beer. Yeah, let me go ahead and get started. Okay. Let me get started. I'm gonna play some Glorilla, y'all. You better move. What? I'm your grandma today. I'm your grandma today.
What the? Mom! Take the glasses out first. Why are you playing gorilla? I should have paused it for you.
What?
Mama, let it eat.
You ready to eat? You better go tell them. Cause I'm your granny. I'm your granny.
Hold on, wait one. You ain't no granny.
Y'all killing my vibe. Y'all killing my vibe.
Hold on. You don't got no vibe. And please stop. And Mom, what you got up in the bag? It's gone. That was a gone.
What little girl?
Are you still doing it? Let me reset the portal.
Reset what portal, baby?
Let me pray, bitch.
Reset what portal,
Please
baby?
help her because she don't look like no grandma. Well, she do, but then she not old. Well, she can't.
Baby. Today, I am the ratchet grandma today. I'm the ratchet grandma today, baby.
You trying to be funny,
Let me put
though.
on the water bag, yo. You know I'm gonna put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. Ooh.
But you can't go to the floor. Wait, Mama.
What?
My phone
What?
Is today even today?
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. You ain't no ripped it out the plastic. Help me.
Look here now. I'm not your mama. I'm your granny.
Believe. Slap her, please.
I'm your granny.
I'm looking for something.
Hold on. I just got my BBL on too. Let me.
Yo, BBL.
Ooh, baby.
What is that?
You feel the
I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go.
Cause I'm it today. I'm the grandma y'all gonna be around today.
Okay, I can do this with that grandma.
You do that, okay, come on, girl. Rip me out the plastic.
Yeah, rip out the plastic.
Yeah. You like this out of girl?
Yeah.
You like it out of girl? Okay, hold on.
I don't know what she's talking about. She can't.
Hold on. Turn me up, girl. Turn me up, baby. Yeah. Ooh. I done done it. Yeah, rip me out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic. Put y'all both back in the plastic. You want the plastic first. Yeah. You go. Let me yeah, feeling. Yeah, baby, grandma is turned. Hold on. Huh? Baby, that's something I can send to the group chat. I'm the turn grandma today, baby. Hold on. Let me fit my BBL. Hold on.
You can play gorilla.
Huh?
You can play gorilla.
You play gorilla, baby? Okay. You know your granny down it. Hold on. You want me to play gorilla? Hold on. Y'all love going that granny hair down it. Where you want to sit, baby?
That was blessed.
Gotta send this to the group chat. Got to. Bless, baby. Okay.
No, turn it all off. Put on gospel. You just can't.
Today is Ratchet Grandma Day, baby.
No, it's not. It is a Sunday. It's Day of Christ. Mama,
Granny, baby. I'm your granny.
It's fun to be giving folks. People around my neck look like my eyes will make me look.
Hey! Hey! We're gonna put somebody bag on though. We're gonna put up the bag out. Okay, hold on. Granny is tired, baby.
Me too.
Granny is tired. You tired too?
Mama, Daddy.
I'm your favorite granny now, ain't it? Woo! Baby, Granny is getting turned today.
Okay, keep doing that. I just gotta pick somebody up in the plastic.
Hold on, baby. You put Granny in the plastic. I'm gonna worry about the plastic, baby.
Mama, look.
Yo, let's put
She
you
took it out.
Don't mess with my girl on. Hold on. We finna get this party started.
First, we gotta put y'all
We
in
right
the
there.
plastic. And y'all ain't never coming back out.
Now we gonna pick you up in that plastic and send you off.
What we finna listen to, grandbaby?
That one.
Right here.
Actually, Waukesha.
What that at, baby?
Go over.
Who is Waukesha, baby? You don't
Go
know
on.
Waukesha? Who Waukesha, baby?
Here, show Grandma Waukesha.
No, because y'all don't need to be listening to these songs.
Alright, that way.
Waukesha.
That way. That way. Right there.
What is Waukesha?
She got a purple wig.
Oh, I need my purple wig on.
I don't think you gotta go that far.
Baby, I need my purple wig on Waukesha.
You don't need to be this far already.
Don't hate. Don't hate.
You right with that. Oh, this is
Granny died now, Granny died now. I'm your granny. Granny. I'm your granny.
Say Granny. Mama disappeared.
I'm your granny, baby. Let me stop playing with y'all. Y'all, it was a prank.
Who? Alright, let's put her up in the plastic.
It was a prank Granny time.
Granny needs to go back to the plastic.
Granny tired, y'all.
Put
Look.
it all in the plastic.
So you have me singing for no reason.
Come on, y'all. Come look at Granny, baby.
Don't put back out the plastic.
Granny. Yeah, baby. Granny, baby, turned up with her. I'm telling you. You turned up with Granny now. You did that one. Give me a high five. She over there hang, y'all. She was hanging on Granny today.
Hate, I don't know how to hate. I don't.
Stop the cap. You hate every day.
Hate is not for me.
You had it on Granny today, baby. Look, Granny looking good. Granny ratchet today. Woo.
Yeah, but
Granny
Granny,
is
at
not
least you done
looking
put on
good.
your purple wig.
Yeah, I should have got my purple wig, y'all. What you say, Waukesha?
Waukesha.
Waukesha, y'all. Waukesha.
Not Wookesha.
She put grandma on the song, y'all. Waukesha. Yeah.
Money back out. Some of y'all might know Waukesha.
Yeah.
Not the real Waukesha, but the song Waukesha.
Yeah. They already know. They already know grandbaby. But there was a prank. Granny's tired. But these my real glasses, though. Yeah. Granny's tired. So
Some up in your hair. Let me get it for you.
don't do that now. I'll knock you out. This is going to be the end of the video right here, y'all. Peace. I'm out.